What's the meaning of anti-globalization? Anti-globalization. 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 Anti-globalization.
Anti-globalization refers to a political and social movement that opposes the process of international integration and globalization. It is characterized by a distrust of multinational corporations, free trade agreements, and global institutions such as the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund. Proponents of anti-globalization argue that it leads to inequality, environmental degradation, and the exploitation of workers. The result of anti-globalization can lead to a reduction in international trade, a decrease in foreign investment, and an increase in protectionist policies. This can potentially lead to economic stagnation and limited opportunities for growth and development.